Okay, now we are going to take out our for a new user and viewer. Right now I'm going to take out my old scan to LCS for my Honda Civic EF. Okay, firstly we need to take out the start for on the subframe. Secondly, we need to take out the start on knuckle, and then lastly we take out the start on absorber mount. This one is already worn out, so you can see it by this one. All the bushes have been worn out, so I need to replace this LCA bush, but actually I have buy a new set of LCAs, so I'm going to just replace my LCAs. So I'm going to take out all the stud before I'm replacing the LCAs. I'm taking out my stud for my LCAs. Okay. Okay, done. And then let's start on the knuckle side. Okay, already take out. The lastly on the absorber. So we need to take out, firstly we need to take out the screw on the inner side. Still cannot take, so just take out this stud. Okay, already done. So we need to use a mallet to take this LCS out. We need to slowly hammer the LCA with mallet. Okay, already take out, and then we need to take the LCS out. So now my scan to LCA already take out, so I will replace with a new LCAs.